Today, I want to make a moment to reflect on Lesson 3, the spiritual self. This lesson really opened my eyes to the importance of nurturing not just our minds and bodies, but our spirits. We often about taking care of our physical health or mental well-being, but our spiritual health is it just as crucial. Whether it's through meditation, prayer, or simply finding time to reflect our spiritual self is what anchor us, giving us purpose and direction in life. In this lesson, I learned that spirituality is not just about religion. It's about connection to ourselves, to others, and something greater than us. It's about understanding we're part of something bigger and that in our busy lives, important to make time for that deeper connection.